Hi guys, so welcome to another brand new video of Geomania. So in this video, we're gonna get familiarized with major metamorphic rocks. So we know that metamorphism means when higher amount of pressure or temperature is exerted into particular rocks. It may be sedimentary or it can be igneous. Then this kind of rock may behave in a different manner, like the mineral assemblages, its physical and chemical properties may also change, and this process is called as metamorphism, and which leads to another kind of rock called metamorphic rock. And this rock will be really different from the parent rock or protolith rock, like in color, its composition, and even mineral composition may also get altered. So now let's get into the video. So the first rock is slate, and the slate is a low-grade metamorphic rock. So before getting into our topic, let me get clear with one point, that is the grade means it is actually the amount of pressure or temperature which is exerted. When the pressure and temperature is of low amount, then the rock is called as low grade metamorphic rock. When higher amount of pressure or temperature is exerted, then it is called high grade metamorphic rock. Like slate, phyllite, it comes under low grade, and migmatite, gneiss, and all this comes under high grade metamorphic rock. So, slate is a low-grade metamorphic rock and generally formed by the metamorphosis of mudstone, shale, or sometimes volcanic ash under relatively low pressure and temperature condition. With increasing metamorphic grade, increases in muscovite grain size transforms slate into phyllite. Slate is mainly composed of quartz and muscovite. Some minerals like biotite, chlorite, hematite, and pyrite are also usually present in slate. Phyllite is a foliated metamorphic rock formed at low pressure heat condition. Phyllite formation from slate that is further metamorphosed so that a very fine grained mica mineral achieves. It's mainly composed of flaky shaped mica minerals. This mica minerals is aligned parallel, so it is easily able to split into sheet or slabs. The phyllite is mainly composed of fine grains of mica minerals that are muscovite or cerussite. Also, fine grained feldspar and quartz are frequently major in phyllite. It is formed by the heating and compression of clay rich bed sedimentary rocks called shale, and creates a series of rock type of increasing metamorphic grade. It can be mainly used for decorative aggregates, floor tile, and other interior home decorations. Also, it is used as sidewalk stones or slab. Next comes schist. Schist is a type of metamorphic rock characterized by its foliated texture, which means it possesses a distinct layers or bands of minerals that have undergone significant physical and chemical changes due to heat, pressure, and other geological processes. Here, schistosity is a type of foliation characterized by the preferred orientation of elongated or platy mineral grains, which are abundant in schistose rock. And it is also seen in different types of mineral, as different minerals part gives it different color as well as chemical and physical variations. Then, talking about schist, it is really important to take account of the amount of heat and pressure it has been undergone, and it almost composition is like mica mineral, quartz, feldspar, garnet, chlorite, talc, graphite, epidote, sillimanite, etc. Like it consists of a variety of minerals, and the presence of such minerals also gives it different chemical or physical variation. For example, based upon the mineral variation in mineral composition, it can be classified or divided like mica schist, chlorite schist, talc schist, graphite schist, quartzite schist, etc. And also it can be classified based upon the geological settings in which it is formed, like regional metamorphism, contact metamorphism. All this causes different variations in the formation of schist rock. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock that has a distinct banding which is apparent in hand specimen or on microscopic scale. Gneiss is usually a distinguished form of schist by its foliation and schistosity. Gneiss plays a well-developed foliation and poorly developed schistosity and cleavage. Most of the mineral grains of gneiss rock are visible to naked eyes, and gneiss can be classified based on the minerals that are present, process of formation, chemical composition, and protolith. Depending upon it, it can be divided or classified as orthogneiss. It is formed by the metamorphism of igneous rock. Paragneiss. Paragneiss is formed by the metamorphism of original sedimentary rock. And augergneiss. It's a medium to coarse-grained banded regional metamorphic rock composed mainly of quartz and feldspar, with hornblende and mica is also present in variable quantities. Marble is a granular metamorphic rock and it is derived from limestone or dolomite, and so it consists of a mass of interlocking grains of calcite or the mineral dolomite. Form of it when limestone buried deep in the older layers of Earth's crust is subjected to heat and pressure from thick layers of overlying sediment. It may also form as a result of contact metamorphism near igneous intrusions. The chemical composition of marble is primarily made up of calcium carbonate, which is typically makes more than about 90% of the rock. Other minerals may also be present in small amounts, such as quartz, mica, feldspar, and iron oxides. There are different types of marbles, such as Carrara marble, Calcutta marble, Emperado marble, Crema marfil marble, etc. Quartzite is a granoblastic metamorphic rock consisting mainly of quartz, almost more than 90%, and formed by recrystallization of sandstone or chert by either regional or thermal metamorphism. Accessory minerals include feldspar, micas, and detrital heavy minerals such as titanite, magnetite, zircon, and rutile. Pure quartz is usually white to gray, although quartzite often occur in various shades of pink and red due to varying amount of iron oxide. Amphibolite is a gneiss or granofelsic metamorphic rock, mainly consisting of green, brown, or black amphibole and plagioclase, which combine to form more than or equal to 75% of the rock, and both of which are present as major constituents. The amphibole constituent more than 50% of the total mafic constituent and is present in an amount more than 30%. Other common minerals include quartz, clinopyroxene, garnet, epidote group minerals, biotite, titanite, and scapolite. Charnakite is a granitic rock which is mainly found in Greenish. It is characterized in particular by the presence of hypersthene and garnet. This is a rare rock which is found in certain Precambrian basins remains of disputed origin. It is magmatic for some and considered then as very quartzic granite with hypersthene and microcline, metamorphic of granulate facies for others. The major characteristic of charnakite is the presence of orthopyroxene and can indeed have either magmatic origin or be produced by metamorphism, that is dehydration of biotite. Hence, some confusion about the origin of this rock, is still remains. Condylite is a foliated metamorphic rock. It is mainly found in India, and it is also called in India as Baiswada gneiss and Kalaisa gneiss. It was named after the Kond tribe of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh because of the well-formed examples of the rock were found in the inhabited hills of these regions of eastern India. Condylites is found in the eastern Ghats between Vijayawada and Cuttack in India, but the term condylite is also used to describe other rocks of similar composition found elsewhere in India as well as in Burma, Sri Lanka, the northeastern Helsana region, and inner Mongolia region of China. The composition of condylite is mainly of quartz manganese-rich garnet rhodonite schist. It may also contain sillimanite graphite, and also in some cases feldspar may also be present. Condylite are considered to be metasedimentary rocks formed during Archean era. Migmatite is a type of rock that exhibits both solid state and partial melting characteristics. It is commonly found in high temperature metamorphic environment and is often associated with regions that have experienced intense geological processes such as mountain building or tectonic activity. The name migmatite is derived from the Greek words migma meaning mixture and tecton meaning to melt. Hope you all got an idea, a basic idea about the major kinds of metamorphic rock. And if you are looking upon these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.